Hey guys, it's Tracy. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to share with you what I did to decorate our little office suite for St. Patty's Day. So that's why I'm coming to you from my car. So I had a couple of comments to let you see what I did to decorate our office suite for St. Patty's Day. It's nothing fancy. It's just stuff from the Dollar Tree and Hobby Lobby and Walmart and that kind of thing. Anyway, so let me show you what I did to decorate our little office suite.